All right, everyone, it is April 21st, 2021, and it is snowing outside here in Cincinnati. This is ridiculous. Just the other week, it was in the 70s. This was a pretty crazy weather event here in Cincinnati. It's almost May and it's snowing. We got about an inch of snow. It was right around 34 degrees, so it didn't stick around very long, but it was a very wet, heavy snow, and a lot of the trees in the area were heavily damaged, or when I went out in the morning to drive to the store, I noticed a lot of trees were down and everything, so I know this video was really short, but that's why I'm releasing this along with another video for today. So if you enjoyed this content, give the video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.